I'm back. Oh, snow. How did you survive? I fell into the time vortex, but that only made me stronger. The time vortex should have killed you. Why didn't it? My mind came at one with the time vortex, so I could control it, bring you here times before and times again, so I could kill you. Why don't you do it then? Why don't you kill me? Because I want to watch you suffer. Suffer from what? You watching the Earth explode. You can't explode the Earth. Oh yes I can. I control the time vortex, remember. But Earth has a future. The paradox would ripple back and rip you out of time. You're bluffing. I don't fall for your tricks anymore, Doctor. No, Master, you must believe me. Believe you? Do you think I'm mad? Yes, I do think you're mad. By destroying the Earth and you'll kill yourself. Well, let's find out then. Commence the destruction of the Earth. No! Ah! Master! Well, that got rid of him. The old double bluff always works.